Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, then thank you for stopping by. My name is MosleyDoll78, and if you haven't subscribed to me, then please hit the subscribe button. It always means a lot to me. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers so I can get this huge giveaway underway. I just wanted to do this real quick summary look. I have had so many good ideas lately about different types of looks. I just haven't been having the time to do them and show you guys. And I was wanting to do something which was going to match my outfit today. Yellow was calling my name, but yellow has never really appealed to me in makeup. So I was curious on how this look would turn out today. I actually really like the look. So it's just a quick tutorial, and it's just incorporating browns and yellows. I've never ventured into yellows. I've never ventured into colour as much as I have lately, but I wanted to give this a go with this summery yellow top. It's feeling very, very summery. I'm liking the yellow. I'll just zoom you in so you can have a look at the eyes. So it was basically just using some browns, yellows, eyeliner, and today is au naturel. I am not wearing lashes. When you love makeup as much as we love makeup, it's never too much. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video guys, and please give the video a thumbs up. I will see you soon with another video. Take care. I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare.